Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shredded.dad.com. In today's video, I want to show you the double D handles I picked up from Amazon. Now these are great because they came in a package. Not only do you get the double D handle, but you also get individual handles like these right here. So you can do two-handed work and single-handed work from the same package. So let me show you the double D handles first. So these have a weight capacity of over 800 pounds, so you can lift a lot of weight with these. They're pretty solid. It's pretty heavy. It weighs about 5 pounds. It comes with a carabiner, goes through the loop on the top there, and then it's coated in chrome, so it's stainless steel, and then you also have the rubber handle here for a secure grip. Now these are great for exercises that are going to target the middle back muscles, the rhomboids. You can do seated rows, you can do T-bar rows, and you can also target the lats by throwing it over a pull-up bar and then doing V-bar pull-ups. And I'm going to show you some exercises in a minute. So let me talk to you about these over here. Now these are handles or D handles. They have heavy-duty straps, rubberized grip, secure grip, and it rotates as well, so it makes it for easy movement. And they also come with carabiners, okay? And these are going to hold about 400 pounds each. So I'm going to show you some exercises with each one of these two different handles, and then I'm going to show you where you can pick these up if you're looking for some. So there you have it guys, that's the video on the double D handle and the single handles and the different exercises you can do with them. I'll leave a link below this video so you can check them out. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. And for more home gym equipment reviews, make sure you visit my website, shreddeddad.com. Thanks for watching, have a great day.